and welcome to this new Result 11 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a race with a set number of laps for different contests. So you may have noticed that here in Result 11 we have a standard lap race template, and you may be tempted to use it for your lap race with a set number of laps, but I'm going to explain right now why it may not be such a good idea. So test lap race. Okay, let's say we have 10 laps maximum, and we are going to create our event file. So in the lap race template, if you go to main window results, you see that we are recording every lap time, then calculating the real lap times from the splits, and then we are calculating the sum of all the laps, the minimum time, that's the fastest lap, the average lap time, the slowest lap time, the last lap time, and then there's a count saying how many laps we've done. If you go to the rankings, you see that actually the ranks are based first on decimal times 6. That's the number of laps, and then decimal time 1, that's the sum of all the lap times. So basically, in this event file, once you have completed a lap, you are considered a finisher, and then all the participants are ranked according to their lap count, and then to their sum of all the lap times. In our case, that's not what we want, because we want people to perform exactly 1 lap, 2 laps, or 4 laps. So rather than modifying everything in that template, we are going to create a brand new event file. So let's go back to the start. I will simply delete this one. And then we will go to the event I set up, race with a set number of laps. So in our event, we have a 5K race, a 10K race, and a 20K race. It all happens on a 5-kilometer loop. So the 5-kilometer will perform 1 loop, the 10-kilometer participants will do 2, and the 20-kilometer participants will do 4. Let's go straight to our results. So here, as you can see, we are recording a start detection and then 1 detection at each lap, and a maximum of 4 laps. For the first detection, we will use the timing point start, and once everybody is started, we will switch to lap, but we are in fact using the same system for everything. Okay, then we will calculate the splits after each lap, after lap 1, after lap 2, lap 3, lap 4, and we can also calculate the lap times between each of these splits. Then, as you can see, I kept result ID number 1, finish, and this one is actually contest dependent. So I use the choose function, and our index is the contest ID. Okay, so what I do is here choose contest. If contest is 1, that's the 5-kilometer, then the finish time is T21. That's after lap 1. Okay, if contest is 2, 10 kilometers, then the finish result will be T22 after lap 2. Okay, and finally, if contest is number 3, 20 kilometers, then the result will be after lap 4. Just a quick tip here. Let's say that you would have a lot more times to set up. If you had, for example, 10 laps to set up. Instead of typing every single entry, you can simply press Control Shift down, and then it creates automatically the corresponding results, and it increments the ID, the name, and also the formulas. If you had here timing point, it will also copy it. Okay, that was just to show you. I actually don't need those. I'm going to delete them. All right. And then, as you can see, I created some sample participants, and then a custom output list where I put all my times and then all my splits. Okay, there you can see that if a contest is not supposed to have this time, then I will not display it and replace it by hyphens. So if I go to view, the 5 kilometer participants only have lap 1 times. The 10K have lap 1 and lap 2. And the 20K have all 4 lap times and the finish time. Okay, that was it. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more learning examples soon.